I don't think you guys could have picked a worse week. There's so much going on, and I'm going to try to break it all down for you. What's going on, guys? GME, your favorite meme stock, is back, and it looks like it's coming for everyone's next. I mean, check this out. 74.40% during normal trading hours, and it gapped up an additional 21% after market hours. I mean, we're talking about nearly a 100% move in just a few hours. And why, you might ask? All because of a tweet, or I don't know what you guys call it anymore, because of an X, or it's on X.com, previously known as Twitter, and it's from the user Roaring Kitty, which was, if I'm not mistaken, the original individual that kind of led this whole meme stock movement. And he put this little picture that he hasn't uploaded in a really long time, I think since 2021, and he tweeted for the first time of him leaning in. It got 22.3 million views in just about 24 hours. And ever since then, GME, which was the original meme stock, has completely gapped up. And it's brought all of your favorite stocks with it. I mean, look at this. We have GME up about 100%, including aftermarket hours. We have AMC, which I made about $1,000 today, up 78% during normal trading hours and 23% during aftermarket hours. And then we have Beyond Meat up 11.2% during normal trading hours and 6% during aftermarket trading session. I mean, when I say that you guys could not have picked a worse time, there's just so much going on this week that is actually super important. But I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware. Again, last time the biggest mistake that a lot of these people made was that they didn't take profits. I just really hope, again, you do you. You're an adult. You can do whatever it is that you want. If you want to trade these, they come obviously at a greater form of risk. But as you can see, obviously it yields a great potential reward if and only if you actually take profits. If you suck at taking profits, if you suck at managing risk, then this is probably something that's going to be too risky and you want to stay away from. Again, I'm just trying to look out for the beginner trader. But with that being said, why is this week super, super important? Well, again, we have inflation reports. I mean, tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens, we have that PPI data report. And then on Wednesday, 1 hour before the market opens, we have the CPI data report. These are inflation reports, which are some of the most important reports that get released on a monthly basis. And I'll leave it up to you guys. I want to go live, but I just want to make I want to make sure that enough people show up. So if you guys can get this video to over 1,000 likes, again, I will host a free live session 1 hour before the market opens to be able to capture the PPI report tomorrow. And then again, the CPI data report on Wednesday. But you need to destroy that like button. You need to subscribe to the channel. And hey, we'll see if this meme stock movement even continues even after these reports come out. I'm not against day trading AMC or day trading GME, just like I'm also not against shorting these individual stocks, right? I've told you once before, and I'll say it again, we're all here for the same reason, and that's to make money. I don't care if it's about going long. I don't care if it's going short. We're all here to make money, and I like to focus on one thing, and that is direction. If direction is clear on the bull or bear side of things, I will take a trade, and we'll see if we can make it happen live tomorrow. So again, just wanted to recap the overall day. I made about $30,000 trading Hood today, so $30,500. I traded Tesla, made about $1,500 there, and then I did end up trading AMC, which I made about 1,160. I've completely closed out this trade, and I also closed out my Tesla trade as well. This one was a short as it began to, form an overall reversal, just so you guys could see there. Also for my Robinhood trade, you can see right on over here, I closed out this trade, leaving myself with no shares overall. Very excited for tomorrow. I hope to see you guys there. And again, one of my favorite things to use is our risk calculator. If you guys ever want to download our risk to reward calculator, it is free. You guys can send me a direct message via Instagram. Just direct message me the word risk, and I will send it right to your inbox. So again, all of that is linked in the description down below. I'll see you tomorrow for our live trading session. Get this video to over 1,000 likes. And also don't forget, if you want to be able to watch me trade live daily, that's going to be our LPP team and the second link in the description down below for a 50% off coupon. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.